Former WWE champion CM Punk returns to wrestling after 7 years, making debut at AEW Rampage. CM Punk returned to pro wrestling for the first time since leaving the wrestling ring in January 2014. The five-time WWE champion had left the company after creative frustrations and sour relations with chairman Vince McMahon after Royal Rumble 2014. The Best in the World made a return on Fox Network's WWE Backstage show in 2019 as a guest analyst, but it was not as an in-ring return that the fans would have claiming for years. But on Saturday, Punk made his AEW debut at the AEW Rampage, first dance show at the United Center in Chicago, his hometown. He arrived at the start of the show after the AEW owner Tony Khan promised the fans 15,000 plus in attendance that their faith in the company will be repaid. Punk's arrival set the crowd wild as they chanted his name at the top of their voice. As Punk went around and hugged members of the crowd, Punk was quick to pick up the mic, a thing he's well known for, and announced that he is not coming for a one-off appearance and will be there in the company for a long time to come. Punk further went on to criticize his time in WWE, describing it as a place that made him sick in the first place. He also declared that he left professional wrestling on August 13, 2005 when he quit Ring of Honor Wrestling, and on August 20th, 2021 he is finally back to pro wrestling, which is a very big dig at the WWE. Before making his way to the back, Punk went on to challenge Darby Allin for a match at AEW All Out pay-per-view which will take place on September 5 in Chicago. Known for his legendary pipe bomb promo from an episode of 2011 Raw, Punk entered the name of Voice of the Voiceless for vocalizing his frustrations with WWE's management. Whether we see the same CM Punk is a question that only time can answer. But we can say one thing for sure, that CM Punk's return to wrestling is something that every fan will celebrate. To stay up to date with the latest wrestling news from your favorite superstars and your favorite wrestling TV shows, make sure to subscribe to the All About Wrestling channel. See you soon.